Hello everyone and welcome. Today we are going to look at the absolute foundation of communication, how a sentence is built. Every single complete sentence you read, write or speak rests on two fundamental pillars. We call them the subject and the predicate. Let's break down how they work together. Think of a sentence like a movie. Every movie needs a main character and it needs a plot. Without both, you don't have a story. In grammar, if you leave one of these parts out, you don't have a complete sentence. You have a fragment. Let's meet our two essential components. One is the subject and another is predicate. Let's say subject is the star of the show. The subject tells us exactly who or what the sentence is about. It is almost always a noun, a pronoun, or a group of words acting as a noun. If you want to find the subject in a sentence, just look for the entity that is doing the action or being described. And the another is the predicate. Like a star needs something to do, and that is where the predicate comes in. The predicate is the storyline. It always contains a verb and tells us what the subject is doing, thinking, or being. Essentially, the predicate provides all the information about the subject. Let's look at a concrete example. Take the sentence, the majestic eagle soared across the sky. The phrase, the majestic eagle, is our subject because that is who the sentence is about. It is the star. The phrase soared across the sky is the predicate because that is who the sentence is about. Because it contains the verb soared and tells us exactly what that eagle did. Together, they create a perfect, clear picture. To wrap things up, whenever you are writing or editing your work, ensure every sentence has its dynamic duo. Make sure you clearly state who or what is involved and exactly what they are doing. Thank you so much for your time. I would love to open up the floor to any questions you might have. Thank you.